The Simba, African gray Congo parrot, laying on his back, very comfortable. Which side is better, that side or that side?
Either one is awesome. That's so funny. Okay, hold him up now close. Let's make sure he's real.
He's holding,
because it looks like he could be a puppet.
His beak there.
But that is a real bird.
Simba,
Unreal.
about a 10-year-old African gray Congo.
Unreal. And he loves it.
Watch this, he likes it.
He loves this.
Did you get that woo? We'll get another woo. Let's get another woo out of him.
Let's do it.
Turn up the volume here.
That is so crazy.
I give the kids, but they don't want to throw.
Can I throw him?
Yeah, don't drop them.
Can I try it? Here, hold this.
Sorry.
He knows better.
He's happy. He's a little nervous. But this is a bird.
Joanna!
Little gold macaw.
Give me 1 second.
Got a strong beak.
Oh my god.
That's so awesome.
I was gonna start taking off with that.
That's what he wants to do. He's like, I'm gonna start flying like a helicopter.
But he's a good bird, about 14 years old. But what he does, here, we need your wife over here to demonstrate something.
Get over there, babe.
Watch this, he kisses. Wait, I'm getting this side.
Okay.
Turn. Okay, he kisses. Kiss him. Another kiss, another kiss. Kiss, it's okay, don't get scared.
Oh, he's tonguing you.
Oh!
He's a French kisser. I think he's Canadian.
Adorable, that's awesome.
That's